Welcome to Trading with Sean, and today is Monday analysis. First thing I do, I mark levels that cause huge moves in the market. Like, for example, this one. See this? I mark this one because it caused a huge movement in the market. That's what I look for, huge moves in the market. That's my areas of resistance or support. Like this, good resistance area, right? That's what I'm looking for in the market, because these moves can then cause a next big move in the market, and that's how I trade it. And I don't draw like a million lines on my chart. I draw where price is at the moment. You get what I'm saying? As we can see, the market it is retracing in ICT terms. This would be a break of structure, right? And then would have a retracement to levels, right? A retracement to what level? Here, supply zone, right? Supply. So that's literally how I would look at the market for my levels, right? So these are my support and resistance levels. So after I mark on the daily, I go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, if you see a move that is like it was drastically impact, then you can mark that level as well. Yeah, like that move, as you can see, was drastically impact on the 4-hour, was drastically impact. But yeah, I just draw that level, and right between here, right, this whole level here, as we can see, there is a fair value gap at this point in time, right? I kind of mix my strategy with ICT concept, but I do it totally different. As you can see, there is a fair value gap right here, right? Fair value gap right there. So anything can happen now, right now on the market right here. So I'm expecting what I'm expecting is that the market can come right here, right? Give me a confirmation, somewhere here, and go down to here. Next thing I do, I go to the 15 minutes time frame. So what I want to see is price come here, right here, right? I see price come right here, rejects off that level, then come back again, give me a divergence, then drop to this level. You can either come to here or here, but once you reach here, I'm gonna either go break even, trail my stop loss to this level right here, my stop loss right here, and if the market comes back and take me out right here, who cares? I got my profit anyways, even though you're gonna lose some, but it's better than losing, right? So that's my analysis for AUD. We go to Euro A. So, and what do I say I always do? Right? This is what I always do. Right now, we had a break in structure in price. So what do we expect to happen? We're gonna expect retracements, right? Retracement to happen. So first of all, I'm gonna mark my levels of resistance levels and support, right? So these are my support levels. Right here is one. That's a highly impacted level. I don't believe that the market will be going all the way down here. Definitely not, because break in structure, price can come to this area right here for the retracement. That's what I believe will happen anyways. So what I would do now, go on the 4-hour time frame, because what I'm expecting buys, right? And right now the price is at where I want the market to go, right here. As you can see, the market is exactly where I want it to be. That area is a good area. It's a very good area to take buys. And all I want to see the market do now is just give me that confirmation to take that buy. Just that confirmation I need, that beautiful confirmation. Just that confirmation I need. And I always get my confirmations, and that's what I'll be looking forward to. And I'm not, you can't predict the market 100%, but if this doesn't happen, then this will happen. It's 50-50% chance that this is gonna happen. Any one of these scenario plays out, then you can capitalize on it, and then maybe if the market breaks the low here, reaches to this point, then the market will reverse from here back to here. Either way, it will reverse somewhere, as long as you get the appropriate confirmations, and the market will reverse. And I believe the market will reverse somewhere here. We can capitalize on it for the entire week, because the market will be doing pullbacks and trending consolidation and everything to reach to this point in time. And what is this? A breaking structure, right? A breaking structure. What happens after a breaking structure? A retracement, right? So I'm using support and resistance levels to catch those retracements with some short profit taking and maybe some long profit taking, but I'm not gonna go like longs, dude. I'm just looking for trading opportunities with support and resistance, not ICT, but using that method to look for my trading. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame and let's see what's happening. Furthermore, the market hasn't reached the zone yet, but as we can see, the market is consolidating right here, and that is a good sign, I guess, because when the market breaks here, comes to my level, and then give me that sign, as I was saying, then I'll be looking to capitalize on it to this area, and that would be a sweet move to the upside. And if this happen when I'm seeing it and when I'm available to look on the charts to see it, then I'll be taking this trade and I'll be showing you that I was right. So let me get to my next one. Euro USD daily time frame. So what happened here? As I said, I use ITC methods to catch trades, right? But I use support and resistance to it, right? So what happened here? There's a support, there's a support right here, right? There's resistance. This is the only level I'll be looking forward to. Where is the market coming from? Right here. And this is a nice place to enter from. As you can see, that's where I'm looking to take my trades. So now, after I identified my level of support and resistance and my targets, my entry, everything, then what's the next move? What do I do next? I go to the 4-hour time frame, then I start plotting to take my trades, And what do we have here? Is this the retracement? Is this the retracement we're looking for? All right, good. So I think there's something big here, because right here we got this breaking structure, right? And what caused it? What caused the breaking structure? This is a big choice right here. This is the move that caused the break in structure, right? And what is actually happening here? That's a big questions. At this resistant area, the market is actually, it's reacting, right? So we'll go to the 15 minutes time frame. The market is reacting to our level. As you can see, the market is reacting. Look, there was a push down here, right? There's a push down. That was a big push down, and that is a very sweet push down. So what we're actually looking for now, for the market to come back to that area, right? And in ICT terms, I guess this would be the change of character, right? This is a change of character right here. As you can see, that's where the change of character will be. That is the change of character. And the move has already happened, because this is it. That's where the market is. But in terms of support and resistance, right? My setup hasn't come yet. My setup is here, right at this line. My setup hasn't come yet. So when the market comes here, it's a highly likely that the market will be breaking down to here. I believe that definitely it's from the way the market behaved to this level right here. That was beautiful. I really like that area of how the market behaved. And I can, yeah, that's it definitely. And the next thing I trade GU as well. Right, so what's happening here? We got a break in structure. Break in structure right here. Right? Boom. Start to look for my areas of supply, areas of support and resistance, sorry. These are the areas that I mark, because these areas are highly impacted by price. So here's an area here. So now we go to the 4-hour time frame and see what the market is doing exactly. What do we have here? What caused the breaking structure? What caused this breaking structure? What was the move that caused it? It was this move, right? So the market won't be selling from here. The market won't, like literally, the market won't be selling from here. The market will be buying to here. I'm gonna look for my buy setup to the top. So now what we're gonna look for is, our bias is buy. It's a retracement. The market is in a downtrend, but the market is now retracing to then become a buy. So what we're gonna look for here, this is my area. This is my area right here. This is my area. This is my area. Yeah. Once you give me that, where should I put stops? when this happen and I get a divergence, the very first thing should happen is the market should respect here. Wicks can breaks below, but the body of the candle should not break below, and that's where, as long as I got a divergence as well, then I'll be entering the trade very easily, and that's how I trade support and resistance, making it 10 times much more easier than normal, because my areas are focused around supply and demand, but I'm using support and resistance, and I'm being aware of where trades can possibly flip against me when I'm trading like this. And I'm trading like this, I am aware of everything in the market. I'm aware of where the fair value gaps are. I'm aware of everything in the market, and that's how I trade support and resistance. But this area, if you get a good buy here, then you can target all the way up to here. Have any questions, then you can text me on my telegram. I don't have anybody in that group as yet. I only have a one person in that group. It's gonna extend soon, but if you want to ask me questions about trading in general, then I'll be happy to answer your questions, because I'm not selling anything. I'm giving everything free. That's how I do it, not selling anything.